Sites enable an operator to administer multiple installation sites from a single location. Sites can be connected via wide area networks. To configure sites, click on Configuration. Then on Sites, open the site list view. Best practice is to rename the default site. Give your site a descriptive name. The host IP is the IP address of the Primo server on site. The time zone is a required field. If the time zone is not set correctly, events will be reported with incorrect times and actions will not be performed when expected. Here you can search for your time zone to select it. To add a new site, click on the Add button. Fill in a descriptive name for the second site. Click on the drop-down arrow to search and select the time zone for this site. It is possible that the sites are in different time zones. In the search field, you can search for the second site's time zone if it is different to the first site's time zone. And that concludes this video. Thank you for listening. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like icon.